I think at some point we just gotta accept the fact that AI is going to take our jobs. I mean, I understand that there's all these arguments for why humans are going to fight back and it's not going to be this massive job loss because of artificial intelligence. But at the end of the day, companies hire people. And if the leaders of those companies believe that AI can and will replace human labor, then they're going to stop hiring and start firing, and you are indeed going to get a real AI jobs apocalypse. It's all about what the leaders of corporate America believe. They're the ones that hire people. And guess what? Those people collectively believe that AI is going to replace human labor. For example, Ford, maker of U.S. cars, Ford, their CEO recently said that artificial intelligence is going to replace literally half of all white-collar workers in the U.S. His words, not mine. I mean, sure, that sounds like a bold statement, but it's not an isolated sentiment. It's how C-suite execs across every industry are feeling right now, okay? Amazon CEO. This is Amazon, biggest retailer in the world, one of the biggest companies in the world, one of the biggest employers in the world. Their CEO said in recent weeks that the company's workforce will be dramatically reduced because of AI in the next few years. Meanwhile, Salesforce, one of the largest enterprise software sellers in the world, their CEO is out there saying that AI is already doing 30 to 50% of the work in the company, 30 to 50%. So that lines up pretty closely with the Ford CEO comments that half of all white-collar work could go extinct because of AI. Then over at Meta, Mark Zuckerberg, I think he's probably one of the biggest luminaries in this space, somebody you definitely should listen to. He thinks most of his company's code, all that code that powers Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger, etc., he thinks all that code can be written by AI within the next 12 to 18 months, and they're trying to entirely automate their ad business over there. Anthropic CEO, they're one of the most promising AI startups out there. He thinks that AI could spike the unemployment rate in the U.S. to 20% within the next 5 years. We're at 4% right now. So we're talking a 16-point lift over there. Meanwhile, Tesla, Elon Musk, visionary in the space, creating the Optimus robot, doing self-driving cars. Again, somebody like Zuckerberg you should listen to because they know a lot about AI. He thinks that AI is going to be so good at doing work that it could eliminate all jobs. He literally said that AI could make working a hobby. And then over at Microsoft, their CEO, he hasn't said anything. He's kind of playing it, diplomatically. But they just keep firing people left and right despite rising revenues. I think they just announced another round of layoffs, 9,000 people. Actions speak louder than words, folks. And maybe most pertinently, or whoever said it best, right? I think it was the Fiverr CEO, or the Fiverr CEO, sorry, the gig work economy place. He said, and I'm directly quoting here, I'm looking at my screen right now, pulling up a direct quote. It does not matter if you are a programmer, designer, product manager, data scientist, lawyer, customer support rep, salesperson, or a finance person. AI is coming for you. So, folks, I honestly think it's silly to sit back and think that you're not going to get at least disrupted by artificial intelligence, that your career or your job will not get at least disrupted by artificial intelligence. I talk to a lot of folks. They're all saying, yeah, it may happen, but not to me. I'm safe, right? That's what I keep hearing. I really hope they're right. I really hope all of you out there that think your jobs are safe in this whole AI jobs apocalypse wave are right. I really do. But I don't think you are. And that's why I tell everyone to hedge against potential future job loss. Invest in the companies creating the tech that may steal your job. I mean, as the old saying goes, if you can't beat them, join them, all right?